Cruising down Main Street in an 87 Chevrolet, rolling down 174, trying to find some more. I wish I had a little money, I'd spend it all on you. I'll buy us a quarterback and a 12-pack of brew, and we'll get high. And I drink while I'm trying not to think, and I get stoned and I'm drunk while I'm trying to change my luck, just getting by. Well, I'm getting by, getting high.